Okay, so open lang natin itong ating BPI mobile application. And then, hanapin natin si Pay eGov. Right? Then, tap Pay eGov here. And then, tap OK. So, mag-open ito sa ating mobile browser. Pwede rin na kahit open muna natin yung mobile browser, then i-type lang natin bpiegov.com. And then, dito, hanapin natin si Pag-IBIG. Alright? Please take note lang na yung convenience fee natin dito is 7 pesos. Okay? So, here, lagay natin yung amount. And then, kung ano yung MP2 Savings account number natin na paglalagyan natin ng contribution. So, since for MP2 Savings, select natin si MP2 Savings for the payment coverage. So, ngayon ay June 30. So, gusto ko June pa rin siya. So, from June to June ang ilalagay ko dito. And then, the email address. And then, tap Validate Transaction. Okay, so here, tap Pay Transaction. And then tap Login. And then here, input the username and password of your BPI account. Then tap Accept. Okay, so ayan yung OTP. Let's just tap Pay using BPI. And then tap Pay 500 pesos. Okay, let's input the one-time PIN now. Then tap Proceed. Okay, so that's it. Payment success. Okay, so yung payment ko na to, ginawa ko is gabi ng June 30, 2021. And then, pag-check ko sa virtual Pag-IBIG kaninang umaga, so today's date is July 2, 2021, naka-reflect na yung payment na ginawa ko using BPI eGov.